full admin abusey from the admins. They're going to use their admin abusey to abusey the admin because the admin is abusey. Because when the admin is abusey, then abusey is the admin. Because no. Yes. I'm messaging scammers for scammer. Because when scammer is scammer, I'm going to get scam. Yep.
Yeah, that's what happens. You're going to get scammed.
Everyone go report that man. Because he's not cool like me. You see how cool I am, bro? I'm super duper pooper cool. If you subscribe, then you're also cool. Just had to check my mic was on. It's a pixel.
Hello. No, yeah, there. Hello.
I don't go live on TikTok because I can't. Because I'm cooler. Bobucks shop. Bobucks. You know, have monies. I was in Creekcraft server. Creekcraft is my bestie now. I got red and blue lights shining. I don't know why he's not saying anything back. Mr. Scammer, man, because Mr. Scammer, he's Mr. Scammer. Talking about completely random subjects. I'm going to be periodically checking the chat, I guess, for some reason, because I don't think he's gonna join. Nope, he's saying something. And guess what? Guess what? Those people are scammers. That's why in my last video on Steal a Brain Rot that I think didn't upload, I had bicycle and whatever the fuck, and a cursed chimney appeared, but it disappeared because they took it. They took both of them.
You're gonna have to reach out and touch somebody. Yeah, that massive. Touch somebody. Being like,
Fake friends everywhere. I hope I get the cursed secret lucky block. If y'all want to be added to the private server, and I won't scam you because I'm cooler, then unless you break the rules, but I will add you. 8 people at a time. No scamming.